Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Tangem wallet with Kraken. We will cover the essential steps to securely manage your digital assets. Tangem provides robust hardware security, while Kraken offers a platform for trading and exchanging various cryptocurrencies. Understanding their combined use is crucial for safeguarding your investments and executing transactions efficiently. First, ensure your Tangem wallet is properly set up and ready. Download the official Tangem application to your smartphone and follow the simple activation steps for your card. It is vital to create a strong access code and understand your recovery options. Once activated, confirm your Tangem wallet holds the specific cryptocurrencies you intend to use with Kraken, ensuring a smooth transaction process. Now, let's discuss transferring assets. To deposit funds from Tangem to Kraken, first generate a specific deposit address on Kraken for your chosen cryptocurrency. Then, use your Tangem app to send the desired amount to that Kraken address. For withdrawals, input your Tangem wallet address into Kraken's withdrawal section. Always double-check all addresses and amounts before confirming any transaction to prevent errors. Maintaining security is paramount when managing your digital assets. Always verify the exact recipient address on both your Tangem application and Kraken's platform before initiating any transfer. Pay close attention to network fees, which can vary, and any minimum transaction requirements. Store your physical Tangem card and any backup phrases in an extremely secure, private location. Regularly reviewing your transaction history helps ensure everything is accurate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.